If you want to use Claude Code for free, you are in the right video. I'm gonna show you step by step how to run Claude Code completely for free using AI models directly on your own computer. There is no subscriptions, no API keys, and no monthly cost. Before we start the video, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss the next videos. And the most important, join our free AI newsletter where you'll get the latest AI news and AI tools. And if you join right now, you'll get a step-by-step guide on how to install Claude Code for free on Windows. The link is in the description. Let's start. The first thing that we need to do is to install a tool called Ollama. Ollama is what lets us download and run AI models locally on your own machine. You're gonna open your browser and go to ollama.com. And right here, you'll see a button that says download. You need to click on it, and once it finishes, you need to open it and to launch it. Then you need to open your terminal or command prompt, and to verify that Ollama was successfully installed, you have to put Ollama and click on enter. If Ollama is installed correctly, you'll see available commands on the screen. That means that it's working. Now you need to type Ollama list, and this will show all of the AI models that you currently downloaded. And if this is your first time, then it will be empty, and this is totally fine. Now we need to download an actual AI model directly on our own machine. We need to go to ollama.com. You need to click on models. This will take you to a page with a big list of free available models. Now, not all models are good for coding. If we go on Claude Code and on recommended models, it says that the best models for using Claude Code are Qwen 3, GLM 4.7, and GPT-OS. You need to make sure that the size of the AI model fits well your computer before choosing your model. So I'm gonna choose Qwen 3.5 2B. And once you've picked your model, you'll see the name of your model on the page. You need to copy it and go back to your terminal or command prompt. And you need to type ollama pool Qwen 3.5 2B. And you can replace Qwen 3.5 with the name of your own model. This will start downloading the model, and if it's a large file, it can take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. You need to let it finish. And now if you put once again Ollama list in the terminal, you will normally see the model that you chose appear. And now you can close your terminal. And now let's install Claude Code. You need to go back on ollama.com and you need to scroll down until you see the section called Claude Code. Then you need to click on it, and on that page you need to scroll down to the install section, and you'll see a command that looks different depending on your operating system, and I'm gonna choose Windows. Then you simply need to copy that command and go to your terminal, and this time it's into Windows PowerShell. To access Windows PowerShell, you have to click on the plus to open a new tab, and you paste the command and hit enter. This will install the latest version of Claude Code directly on your machine. Give it a moment to finish. If it says Claude Code on Windows requires git bash, you need to install the git download like this. You have to search on Google for git download and you click on this one. You need to accept everything, then you can click on next until the end. And for the final one, you need to choose the two options, and then you can close the git batch. And then you have to put again the command that we included earlier. And now there are the setup notes that we have to fix. You have to copy this link in the setup notes, and you need to go in the Windows bar and put environment variable. Then you have to click on environment variable, click on path in the second box, and click on new. And you need to paste the link from the setup notes. And now you can click on OK 3 times to close everything. And now you have to go back into your terminal and put the same command once again. And now Claude Code is installed. And now here's the most important part where people make a mistake. The following command to start Claude Code with your local Ollama model is ollama launch Claude. Hit enter and it will ask you to pick an AI model. You can choose the one that you want and click on enter. Click on enter until the end. And you're now inside Claude Code, running completely for free on your own machine. And you can ask it everything you need. And if you downloaded multiple models and you want to switch between them, you just need to put ollama launch Claude --config. This will walk you through the setup process again. And you can now choose among all of the models that you downloaded. These models are not as powerful as Claude Sonnet or Claude Opus, and this is the reality of running AI on your own machine and for free. But you can still use Claude Code for learning, making changes to code, and using it without internet and open source, so for free. free. So you don't have to spend any money on Claude Code. You can now use it for free. Hope you liked the video. See you in the next one.